Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW X5 oil change indicator. It is crucial to perform an actual oil change before attempting this reset to maintain your vehicle's health. First, get into your BMW X5 and turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine, just activate the dashboard lights. This prepares your car for the next steps. Now, let's access the service menu. Find the Trip Reset button, usually located on the lower left side of your instrument cluster. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. Keep holding it until you see the service menu appear on your dashboard display. This menu allows you to manage various service intervals for your vehicle. Once in the service menu, you need to navigate to the correct option. Briefly press the Trip Reset button repeatedly to scroll through the different service items until you see Engine Oil on the display. When Engine Oil is visible, press and hold the same button again. After a few seconds, the display will prompt you with Reset, asking for confirmation. To finalize the reset, press and hold the Trip Reset button one more time. Continue holding until you see a progress bar or the message, Reset Successful, on your display. This indicates the oil service light has been cleared. Finally, turn off your BMW X5 completely. When you restart it, the oil change reminder should be gone, and you are good to go for your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.